This instructional film is intended to demonstrate the application of Accel-Heal Solo alongside compression hosiery. Our process starts once the primary dressing has been applied to the wound. Make sure you have everything ready and close to hand to ensure an efficient dressing change for your patient. Prior to applying Accel-Heal's electrode pad, ensure any excessive dry skin is removed and avoid using emollients. The selected area needs to be cleaned with the wipes provided within the treatment pack. This preparation will ensure a good adhesion of the electrode pads. Apply the Accel-Heal pads as close as possible to the wound site on healthy skin either side of the wound, but ensure the pads are applied away from the area covered with the primary dressing. If the wound has excessive exudate, place the pads horizontally to avoid the pads becoming too wet from gravitational moisture. You are now ready to apply compression hosiery. First, protect the area under the electrode wire with a simple foam adhesive dressing and feed them to the top of the limb. Then apply the hosiery garment according to manufacturer instructions. Once you have applied the compression hosiery, you are ready to connect the Accel-Heal Solo device to the electrode pads. Activate the treatment by pressing the Start/Pause button down for 2 seconds. Secure the device using the provided removable clip and strap, ensuring it is placed away from bony prominences, such as the tibial crest. Secure any free wires with tape. Each Accel-Heal treatment device runs for the full 12-day treatment, after which time it will switch off automatically. The dressing and bandages can be changed according to clinical need and local policy. The electrode pads are disposed in clinical waste alongside the dressings. The device needs to be disposed of in a recycling facility. The treatment consists of one device, making it a single 12-day treatment course. The Accel-Heal therapy delivers repeated treatment sessions with a resting period, which are repeated throughout the 12-day treatment period. Further instructional videos on device change and troubleshooting are available.